And we are live. Hi everyone. Good morning wherever you are. I mean, if you're in India, good morning. If you're somewhere else, hi. And if you're watching this recording, yeah, well, I hope everyone is doing good. Thank you so much for being here. Uh, Today, what I want to do is just for information. I want to fix my new Vim setup because I had to reinstall my KDE for some reasons. I was trying to install a fork of bismuth. Some guy was working on it, right? And he had some really cool features in there, so I just wanted to try them, but it didn't work out. And then I had to just install the KD again. There's something really weird going on, and I was not sure what's happening. So I just decided, okay, just let it be. I'll just install it from scratch and try to fix it. Sometimes that just happens, and I had no clue what's happening. So what happened after that is that I need to fix my new Vim. First of all, I need to change my default theme to Moonfly again. So let's start working on it, right? And then we can start porting. Right. So first of all, the color scheme I would prefer is Moonfly, right? And we have, so this is by the way mine, like only my config that I have changed for some reason. Like for example, I have formatters with black because that's what you need in Python. And the LSPs don't provide you the formatting things. Leader is okay, controllers is okay. This is fine to me. Maybe one thing I need is, do I have toggle term edit? Yeah, vim.lsp.diagnostics.virtual text is false. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, one thing I need is I need to, disable some of the plugins that I don't need, right? And I think a few of them are some auto completion plugins. Those are like really bad, right? I don't really like them. They just make it slow, right? Like, what's the sense of having those? I don't know. Why do people use them? github.com. Yeah, Shimali Bismuth. Right, so we can clone the repo and we can get started. So first of all, like I'm just gonna test if everything is working fine with my NeoVim. Um, oh, sorry, wrong comment. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, that's why I was thinking what happened. All right, all right. So we can also go over here and do alias lvim vim equal to lvim. Right. So now we have find file. Maybe we can go to engine.cpp and see use of undeclared identifier plasma API engine.hpp is not found. Oh no, layout list.hpp is not found. Is it? What is, yeah, file not found, right? And then you have plasma API errors. Okay. So for that, what we can do is make setup dev environment, right? And then we can try to build it. Okay. Once this is done, what we'll do is, I think we can just run the cmake and get the compile commands.json file and just use it for our Vim. That's it. Vim cmake list.txt, we can have set cmake export compile commands. Yes. There you go. So you see what I don't want? I don't want this. Like this is fine. That is giving suggestions in a drop down, but okay, now it's not there. Okay, I don't know. We'll see. So we have done the cmake, I guess. Compile commands are there. Cool. So this is done. That means we can just go to probably where we can get started, and we can go to 3 column layout dot wait, I need to check out to the branch. Do we have G git checkout B, and the branch I want is port to CPP 3 column layout, right? Checked out, and then let's go to 3 column layout dot CPP. There you go. Right, so we have it here. What are the errors? Config.hpp not found, no member name value is same. Too many errors, stopping now. Okay, it don't stop. Config. Yeah, let's config.hpp. Let's see. It's not able to find config.hpp, the new vim. Clang says that it couldn't find. I think it may be because of let's try again. Config.cpp is there. Is there 3 column layout? No, right? So that's the problem, right? How will it work? Oh, now it works. I had to make it for it to work. Is it? There you go. So things are fine now. One thing I just want to see is, okay, so this is okay. This is working. This is okay. And let's get into full screen mode maybe, so that we use the whole screen for this. Today I don't plan to use styling anymore for this stream, at least, because I found that, I don't know, like, it's true that if you want to use styling, maybe just switch to i3 or something, right? If you're like that mad for tiling. But honestly, like, I can work efficiently without tiling right now, because I have 2 monitors and a laptop for streaming, like, to check chat, and usually people are not here. So that's okay. So yeah, I think this all is fine. Today what I want to do is I want to complete doing what we were doing before. So we have split weighted implemented, split area weighted implemented, and apply function implemented. So we were able to do if tilibus.size is less than equal to this master size. So we were able to do that, right? Um, what I will probably need is, yeah, okay, let's get it this time right. Let's start with some testing, right? So what we will need is, right, so what we will need is a virtual box, right? And I think I already have the ISO file, so that should be good. So let's set up the not this. I don't think I need this. Linux distributions. This whole why can't they make it better? I don't know. So what we will do is probably just try to get started over here. So let me go to VirtualBox and AUR, right? And there you go. I have it now. So let's go to cd temp, git clone it, VirtualBox make package -si. So they have a few patches for makefile. Is it? Cool. One thing I need to do is, so yesterday I think India server were down for Pacman. I'm not very sure, but I remember that that was happening. Anyways, oh, we need to download Manjaro as well. I think we should download KDE Neon this time for testing because it comes with the latest packages and everything, and I would like to try it out. User edition, testing edition, unstable developer, ideal for everyday users. Okay, yeah, I would like to try this one day. I mean, people have like talked about KDE Neon, and they keep saying that it's stable enough that people can use it, which is good, right? Like, I would like to use it. So, all right, my KDE Neon is being downloaded. It's gonna take 12 minutes, so we're gonna continue working on it. I mean, our code, and then we can come back and try to install it. So, what we can do today is we can start building this code and try to fix things. By the way, what I want to do first is there are a few errors over here. So these are just CMake files, right? Compiler depend timestamp file. For compiler generated dependencies management for KDE expected this. So it looks like something is going wrong somewhere else. I think invalid character CMake generated file do not edit. Right? So this is generated by CMake. Compiler depend.ts dot slash core. Oh right, so okay. What is it doing? Where is this file? Find date dot name. Which file was that? Like for example, you can just go to compiler depend.ts, right? We can search for it. There you go. So we have it in test course, test core, right? Yeah. All right. So is it that way that we need to delete everything? Hmm. Mm-hmm. This is manual, I know, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to delete this stuff from here with CMake builds and try to do a proper CMake again. CMake files, sorry, CMake again and see if it works. So this time I hope that I have not missed anything which needs to be deleted. So plasma API is done. Maybe kconf update. Yeah. I think this doesn't have any. Oh, in inside core there are folders, right? I imagine if this would have been possible using make clean, but I don't know. So it doesn't have any kconf update. No, it's also fine. Plasma API is done. SRC code is done. Plasma API is done, right? Yeah. So this is all good, I guess. Then what do I need? I need to check for Kevin script, bismuth, driver. So right, this is the TS file, so I don't need to worry about it. Yeah, I mean, that's it, right? Oh, I was deleting SRC as well. Nice. Okay, now what I can Sorry. So what I can do is I can also do make clean, no such file or directory. CMake files, make file. Yeah, so I've deleted that already. Maybe it could have fixed it for me, but let's do make build. What happened? So what is the dev docs? Where are the dev docs? So where is it written? Make setup dev environment and make build, right? So I deleted something which was not supposed to be deleted. So I deleted. I don't know what I deleted here. So who changed this? So why was this? Okay, maybe makefile was. Yeah, that is okay. No, but why was this deleted? This is fine. Okay, I need to. Oh, sorry. All right. I don't. Either the link is slow or my net is slow. My net should not be slow. It's good enough. Let's see now. Right. So this is. It's happening. Right. So let's just wait and let's try make build. Yeah, this phase, right? And from what I know, what happens is that it's happening because I already have a bismuth installed, and that's why it gives me this error. So what I can do is I can go to scripts prefix. Where's the prefix.sh file? I think you should tell me about it. It will be good if it builds, right? If I'm able to build it properly, that is good, right? So where is the prefix.sh file? Have they mentioned it somewhere? Yeah, there you go. Okay. Hi guys, is anyone here by the way? Okay. Alright guys, give me 1 second. So I was basically muted all this time. Oh damn. Oh wow. Oh my god. What happened to my stream now? Oh my god. See, I told you guys, like, I'm the best streamer out there. Trust me. I'll clip it for myself for the record that this is what happened. Okay. Oh god, this is so bad. This is all my fault. I'm the culprit, right? This is how you do streaming. Awesome. Well done, guys. Well done. Thank you so much for being here. Right? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I need someone, right? I need someone to view my streams just for this thing. How will I manage it, right? Ah shit, man. I'm so irritated right now. Oh god, this was such a hard work, right? I was working. Ah man. There's no use. Leave it here. Should I even stop streaming now? Ah, not what I was expecting. Anyways, so what should be the end? If I do 10 minus, I just want the 3 elements, right? So it should be from 3 to... So I can do probably... I know it will be weird, but then I could have used the copy constructor as well. Array.cn so that this gets cancelled and I can do minus space. Will that work, sir? Yeah, right, makes sense. Copy slice the first n elements vector C++. Yeah, so that's what. Oh, so this will work. Okay. So I can do array.c begin plus base, and I can do plus base plus size. Is this what you want me to do? So see, for example, here it should ideally from 4 to 7 inclusive, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, it works. Oh, so, oh shit. Oh my god. No matter, god, what did I do? Shit, man. I'm such a bad programmer. Ah, almost done, right? Return item. We don't even need any, I think. And what's the problem? No match for call, get partition by sizes, lambda int, unary op, partition array by sizes. It says do this, please. We don't even need it right now. We can have this now. We can get rid of user. Right, so this is done. So what I can do is I can go to 3columnlayout.cpp, partition area by sizes, partition area. Oh, spelling mistake. and this needs to be what? Auto chunk. Okay, std vector t, and we can have array dot begin plus array dot begin plus and base plus equal to size. Okay, chunks dot pushback is fine, and here I can do std vector t, what was it, array dot begin plus base comma array dot end. Cool. So this works, right? Yeah, so we can build it now, right? So what we can do is we can have an else condition here, else if tables dot size is greater than this master size plus 1, right? That's also going to be the else condition here. And now I can do is I can go to 3-column layout. I can go to k decoration, is a k script, sorry, engine layout, 3-column layout, and I can vertically split it. There you go, and I can have public apply, and I can go down here. There you go, starting from 188 line, and I can have it here. It's going to be L stack and master, right, and R stack. Yeah, makes sense. So we can have const float stack ratio equal to 1 minus this master ratio, right? And then we can have areas allocated to left stack, master, and right stack. So we can have const group areas equal to, I think, auto for now. It's going to be std vector of qrect, by the way. So it's going to be this split area get weighted. We can pass the area as an input. We can pass std vector of float, and we can say stack ratio is the first, this master ratio is the second, and again stack ratio is the third. And now we have this mconfig dot tile layout gap, and then you can have horizontal equal to true. There you go, this is done. So what's the problem here? Split area get weighted, what does it say? Yeah, it doesn't have it, so we'll have to do this. No, is it get weighted? No, right? Split area weighted. So what's the problem here? Non-const cannot bind to temporary. Okay, difference of type. We can have these as ratios. Right, so this is done. Now once you have it, you can do const int r stack size equal to std floor, right? And you can have tileables dot size minus this master size divided by 2. This is done. Then you can have const tiles equal to partition area by sizes. You can do tiles comma this master size. Okay, so it's going to be a vector. I think I can do this here. It will get it. R stack size, right? Oh, sorry, this is wrong. And this is what this is going to return me std vector of engine windows, right? So I'm going to keep it auto for now, and tiles are not going to be passed, right? So this needs to be tileables, and that is it. This is done. Now you can have, so this tiles will contain master tiles, So for each one of them, you will do split area weighted. So for auto ampersand tile in sorry in tiles, you will do for each, and you will set the geometry, right, by after calling this. So let's do this split area weighted, and let's do whatever tile we got, right? Hmm. Then we do map tile weights. So let's get the weights. Hmm. Yeah, it's kind of weird that I'm doing it this way. It should be we should get the weights somehow. Return return tile underscore dot weight, and we can have it here. No, I think this is fine, right? Here we will have it auto tile, uh auto single tile. This is done, right? Is it a function? I don't think so. So split area weighted, you got the tile here, and what do you pass? You pass the tile weights, then you pass at this mconfig dot tile layout gap. The amount of times I've called this thing, right? You should save it somewhere. Horizontal equal to false. And now it has some problem. What happened? Ah, where was I? Yeah, GL no viable conversion from stored vector bismuth window to qrect. Yeah, so we don't need the. Hey, how am I getting stored vector bismuth window? Stored vector window. How? Right. So this partition area by sizes is gonna give you whatever the input you pass. It's gonna you're passing tileables, right? So that's why you're getting only that. And what was tiles? Tiles was that only. So we should not take. It expects only qrect, right? So we should also probably have stored vector tileables. Sorry, qrect tileable area, right? Stored transform tileables.cbegin tileables.cn tileable area dot begin, and we can have something like auto single tile, and we can return single tile dot area. Wait, what is in tileables dot zero dot area? Is there any area thing? It should come from LSP, right? Dot geometry returns zero. So this one is fine, right? And so it takes only, no, wait, no way. It takes only a rectangle. Ah, is it? So it takes an integer as well, right? For so that is a group. Ah, okay, okay, okay. So you're passing basically the the index here. And here this partition area by sizes is gonna give you engine window. Was so group area is a number. Group is a number. Group areas is a vector flag. Areas allocated to left stack, master in R stack. Group tiles for each. Hey, where's it group areas? Where's the group areas by the way? Oh, so they're using that, and they're using that index here, is it? So we had calculated group areas over there. So we can do here group areas of, so we can have int I, then we can have int idx equal to 0, then we can do idx plus plus, and that can be idx, is it? That's it, right? And this group ties is different. So where do you get group ties? Okay, that is in a different context. So for each, it's going to take a callback function, performs a specified callback action for each element in an array. A function that accepts up to 3 arguments for each calls this function one time for each element in the array. Okay, so here they had it, group ties comma group. I think group is going to be the index and group ties is either left stack ties, right, master ties, right? So this is fine, is it? Yeah, this is fine. And then we need to set the geometry as well. And there's too many for each here. Stop doing it. Quit playing games with my. Then again we take the tile area from the output here, right? Auto split, and then you again do for each. Yeah, now we can do for each, I guess, because that's okay. Split dot c begin, split dot c end, and then we get the, probably here we get everything, probably, yes, yeah. And then we here we also need the index, right? So it's going to be idx equal to 0 comma ampersand. Let's not do ampersand here. We need group, we are clear what we need. We need group tiles, right? So that's going to be tile underscore, right? And here we will call it mutable, and here we will also take the first argument as tile area, which is going to be split area, right? And we can do something like tile underscore dot set geometry equal to split area. Oh, sorry. No. So here, the split area should be, so it's a stored vector of q rect, right? So you will get q rect ampersand, and this style is gonna be stored vector of bismuth window. So you will need that index, right? And you do idx plus plus here. But the function is not marked const. Wait, what is it saying? This argument member function of set geometry has type const, aka const bismuth window, but function is not marked const. So how should I do this? Wait, so set geometry, if I go here, set frame geometry, this looks right to me. What's wrong? Wait. Okay, let's just give me 1 second. We should probably do this. So are we not doing set geometry anywhere? See here also we are doing, right? By the way, this is wrong. So we expect that we will get an integer I as an input here. No, right? Okay, let's check. Right? Vim check.cpp, and let's do a for each, right? Void sample, right? Stored for each. Let's have a vector int sample 1 2 3 4 5, right? And let's do sample dot c begin, sample dot c end, and let's do ampersand probably this, and let's do int val comma int I, and we can do std c out. First we can do val, and then we can do sample of I, and if this works, right? So let's try calling std, let's try calling sample, right? There you go. So it never works because, so what we had given is this is the int I, right? This is not expected, so you should do probably sample idx equal to 0 comma sample and mutable. Oh, so this mutable should be out of this thing, right? And this can be idx and this can be idx plus plus. See, now it works, right? Because we have taken the index there. The reason it does not work here is probably because of the const nature. Tilibus.c, and this is fine. Qrect. Yeah, let's first of all bring it back. idx equal to 0 comma, we needed what? We need Tilibus. Oh, sorry, this is not what we want here, right? We need idx equal to 0. We need Tilibus. Yeah, sure. And we don't need int I here. We do idx plus plus, and we do idx. Yeah, there you go. Now again this argument has a problem, right? Maybe because we didn't have const here. Can I do this? Oh, nice. So this is fixed. Also, oh, I was not taking it by reference. I was taking it by copy. Is it? Nice. Cool. Now I can go back to set geometry wherever I was calling it. Right. I think even here, I don't know why we didn't have this problem. Oh, because you were taking const q rect, is it? I can let's keep doing that only. So here as well. Okay, if I do const, does it work? No, right? idx equal to 0, mutable, idx plus plus. Now it is fixed. Except this, that ampersand should be first. It still has this problem. Is it because of tile underscore? Oh, because it is. Oh, it is tile. Ah, shit. Why does no? Guys, you should watch my stream. Correct me, please. I mean, if you want to. Cool. So this is fixed now, right? So I think everything is good. So we have done everything, right? So yeah, we don't need to return anything from here. This looks good to me. All right, all right, all right. So let's try to make it. Make build and make sure that it builds properly. Yeah, it looks to be done. So let's do git add hyphen p, git commit, finish apply for 3 column layout. Next step, testing. Just to let them know that we are going to test it. I hope it will pass because we are already using the clang formatting. By the way, if anyone is here, please don't. Oh, no one is here, I guess. My bad. Sorry, guys. I hope this is done. Yeah, right. So it needs me to. By the way, did I edit anything? No, right? So that is not added. I hope. Yeah, cool. It says you need this. For now, I'm just gonna get rid of this, right? Reuse, pre-commit, reuse. And there you go. So we are done with the nice that you guys can hear me. For most of the time I was just okay. So today we have done the 3 column layout, right? Which is great. Nice. Now we can just move on from here, and I will have to reboot, right? So that's something that I'll have to do. I can set a good dark background, something which I would like to have, but KD does not have really good default backgrounds. It's okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining in. That was it from me. I'm gonna restart for my VirtualBox to work, and then I'm gonna test it on KD Neon. So yeah, I will let you know how it goes, and let's see you guys tomorrow. Right, and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for joining or watching the recording. I was mostly inaudible. Was not in. I was not audible in between because my mic was muted. But that sucks. I know. So sorry for that. Yeah. Bye, everyone.